For today's keto recipe, we're going to be doing our version of a Thai seafood curry. We've got some firm white fish. We've got a bit of salmon as well. We've got some blue swimmer crabs that have been sourced locally, and they've been pre-cooked and cleaned. We've got some deveined prawns, and then a whole lot of homegrown vegetables. We've got some lemongrass, and if you want to know how to grow lemongrass at home, just watch the video at the top of the screen at the moment. And some of these things we've put in pots, so even if you're on a balcony somewhere, you can grow them. Kaffir lime leaves, some zucchini, fresh coriander, green onion, and oriental radish. I'm going to put this in halfway through, and probably the zucchini as well, halfway through cooking, so that they're still crunchy at the end. And then we've got some fish sauce, some garlic, ginger, some Thai curry, red Thai curry paste, coconut cream, and some fish sauce. And to have with it at the end, we'll be steaming some cauliflower rice. My advice is don't eat this dish with someone you don't know very well, because after a few minutes there's going to be juice dripping off your chin, running down your elbows. You're going to need yards of paper towel. So what I'm going to do is taste it very elegantly, but I'm just going to taste the juice. Now, as elegantly as possible. As I suspected from the smell, it's magnificent. Please make this for yourself. You won't regret it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you'd like notification when the next video comes out, just scroll right down to the bottom and click on the bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.